Running a business means being everywhere at once. WhatsApp, email, Telegram, Messenger. Messages are pouring in and details are slipping through the cracks. Welcome to the Conversa Customer Intelligence Hub. We've unified your world. Now every customer touchpoint, from email to Facebook, lives in one intelligent ecosystem. But we didn't just centralize your messages. We gave them a brain. Our AI isn't generic. It's powered by RAG technology, meaning it's trained specifically on your business data, prompts, and needs. From instant customer support to taking complex orders, Conversa provides intelligent, human-like answers 24/7. It qualifies leads and solves problems while you sleep. Professionalism requires oversight. Our hub features full audit trails for every conversation. Plus, with dedicated supervisor logins, you can review performance or jump in live when an agent needs a helping hand. Speed up your workflow with smart document processing. Conversa reads images and documents sent by customers, automatically identifying the data and routing it to the right team for approval. Whether you're a growing team or an enterprise, Conversa scales with you. Faster replies, smarter automation, absolute intelligence. The Supervisor and Governance module. Automation is powerful, but human expertise is irreplaceable. When a conversation gets complex, your agents aren't alone. With a single click, they can trigger an immediate support request, allowing a supervisor to step in and guide the interaction to a successful close. With dedicated supervisor logins, managers can monitor live chats in real time. If an agent needs assistance, the supervisor can jump in instantly to guide the sale or resolve the issue. Accountability is built in. Every interaction across WhatsApp, email, or Messenger is recorded in a permanent audit trail. This ensures 100% traceability for every claim, request, or approval, giving you the ultimate record for quality control and dispute resolution without ever searching through multiple apps. We don't just track messages, we track meaning. Conversa analyzes the sentiment and emotion behind every interaction across all channels. With our advanced analytics dashboard, supervisors can see the flow of customer satisfaction in real time, identify trends, spot issues before they escalate, and monitor team performance at a glance. Every word is backed by a complete audit trail. Whether it's a positive lead or a support challenge, you have the data and the oversight to ensure a perfect customer experience. Visibility is the key to growth. Conversa provides detailed analytics based on regular time intervals, allowing you to spot engagement trends and peak activity at a glance. Understand your customers better with consistent sentiment updates. Our hub categorizes emotions, giving you the insights needed to refine your strategy and improve satisfaction levels. Combined with full audit trails for every conversation, you have a complete historical record to ensure compliance and maintain your high service standards. Turn every interaction into intelligence. Total clarity, total control. Start the conversation. That's Conversa.